Good morning, food lovers. Are you ready for a delicious, feel-good breakfast that's quick, healthy, and super satisfying? Today, we're making the ultimate avocado toast, perfect for busy mornings or when you want a wholesome, uplifting start to your day. Avocado toast isn't just trendy. It's loaded with nutrients, packed with flavor, and completely customizable. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen newbie, this recipe will transform your mornings into something extraordinary. Trust me, you'll thank yourself with every bite. To get started, you'll need just a handful of fresh, healthy ingredients. Here's what you need. 1 ripio avocado, 2 slices of whole grain or sourdough bread, a pinch of salt and pepper, optional, sliced cherry tomatoes, a sprinkle of chili flakes, or a soft-boiled egg for a gourmet twist. That's it. Simple, wholesome goodness that comes together in minutes. Let's begin with the base. Toast your slices of bread until they're golden brown and slightly crunchy. That crunch is key. It adds the perfect texture to balance the creamy avocado topping. Use a toaster or a hot pan, whichever you have handy. Pro tip: if you're feeling fancy, lightly rub the toast with a clove of garlic for a subtle flavor kick. Next up, slice your ripe avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the creamy flesh into a bowl. Mash it with a fork until it's smooth but slightly chunky. That texture makes every bite more satisfying. Season it with a pinch of salt, a crack of black pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil to elevate the flavor profile. Now, for the fun part, assembling your avocado toast. Spread the mashed avocado generously across each slice of toasted bread. Be bold. Make sure each corner is covered for maximum deliciousness. Want to take it to the next level? Add your favorite toppings. Top it with juicy cherry tomatoes, a sprinkling of chili flakes, or even a perfectly jammy soft-boiled egg. Did you know this breakfast is not only tasty, but also packed with health benefits? Avocado is rich in heart-healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins that'll keep you full and focused all morning long. Pair that with whole grain bread, and you've got an energy-packed start to the day. It's as beautiful as it is nourishing, the perfect way to fuel a healthy lifestyle. What's amazing about avocado toast? The possibilities are endless. Swap out toppings based on your mood. Love spice? Add a touch of sriracha. Prefer fresh herbs? Sprinkle on some chopped basil or parsley for a fragrant twist. Every bite tells your story, so make it uniquely yours. And there you have it, the ultimate avocado toast recipe for breakfast. It's quick, customizable, and bursting with vibrant flavors. Perfectly balanced, beautifully fresh, and brimming with nutritional goodness. This dish is a home cook's dream. If you're as excited as I am to give this healthy recipe a try, don't wait. Head to your kitchen and make your mornings magical. Be sure to let me know in the comments how you topped your toast, or if you added a unique twist. Hit that like button, subscribe for more uplifting recipes, and share this video with friends looking to boost their breakfasts. Stay healthy, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's turn every meal into a moment of joy.